He never fired a single bullet, but he managed to fool Hitler's entire army. Meet Juan Pujol Garcia, a Spanish chicken farmer who failed at raising poultry but succeeded at being the world's greatest double agent. Armed with just a typewriter, he created an imaginary network of 27 fake spies. And amazingly, the Nazis believed every single word he wrote. From his small apartment in London, he sent hundreds of false intelligence reports. These reports were so convincing that Hitler himself trusted him completely, even awarding him the Iron Cross. His biggest deception came on D-Day, when his lies successfully diverted German troops far away from the beaches of Normandy, helping to secure the Allied victory. He was the only person decorated by both sides of the war. The man who never fought ended up winning a war with his words. Follow the hidden battles for more incredible stories from history.